Osaka, Japan is known as a center for nightlife. So this evening, we're gonna head out on the town, visit some Backstreet bars for some eats and drinks, and finish the night off with some karaoke.
So what I'm going to do is curate you a tour. We're going to go through some of my favorite restaurants, get some great food, some of my favorite little back streets, and introduce you to a bunch of bars. And there's so much stuff that you can't necessarily find, and I'm going to show that to you, and you can have an amazing time.
This place is great. We're in what's called an izakaya. So this is like a Japanese pub, but the focus is a bit more on food than it is drinking. Everything smells so good. Come with an appetite. There's lots of food. Wow, look at this. My newly discovered favorite dish, omunamiyaki. Look at that. All right. First stop complete. Had some drinks, had some food. Let's head to the next spot. Oh wow, we're headed into an alleyway. This is awesome. We're in, it's called kind of like a tatsunomi, a standing bar. Kanpai! Love it. This is pretty wild. This is torisashi. It's raw chicken.
Kanpai! It tastes like tuna. It tastes like tuna.
Japan loves to do it raw. This goes well with your drink. We are in the very exciting Dotonbori, which is sort of like the Times Square.
Dotonbori is very crazy.
It's very crazy. Yes. So many people, so much color, very happy. It's happy town. Time for our final stop of the night, some karaoke. What a fantastic night this has been, experiencing the backstreet culture of Osaka, the nightlife, drinks, and eats. This has been a fantastic way to learn all about Osaka after the lights have gone down.